720, 721. What do we have? UPS, United Parcel Service. Let me tell you right now, stock is down $17. Oh, yes, it is. Let me tell you that you can see the 60-minute big drop down here to these lows, and then it's come up some. FedEx, FDX. Here, let's look at the FedEx chart. It had missed its quarterly earnings, and it too is down $14 right along with UPS in sympathy of their earnings. Back to the UPS chart. Let's put this on a daily so that we can see everyone. How is everyone today? Hopefully, really good. We're at the 100-day simple moving average, and UPS dropped off the cliff. And that 100-day moving average, if we break below it, then we're trading all the way down here to the 200-day moving average. During the quarterly earnings on FedEx last quarter, we did FedEx puts going into the earnings, and we make a lot of money. And FedEx, again, is down big with UPS. Everybody thinks with the reopening economy that these haulers, goods, services, and people, but really mainly services, right, would be up much higher and that they could really produce. But no, look at these stocks have been a problem after their big rallies, but when they come down and hit that 200-day, if we trade down there, that is where we look at buying it. This was the last support level right here that it's breaking right now. When we had that rally, it made we made all-time highs up here and had a big pullback during the last quarter. But this is the new quarter, and UPS is down big. We will buy it at certain levels, and let us help you. Sign up for the free 5-day trial. Do it now. Let us take you higher. TurboOptionTrading.com. It's the place that you want to be able to do all of your homework. The site is new. It's beautiful, really. The layout is nice. You have all your videos here. You can spend hours and hours and hours going over trades, hit load more. We have lots of services under the menu item, and we do. And it's very well laid out. Tell your friends this is the place to be. And I can just tell you right now that you can spend days, weeks, months, hours, all the time on the site. So we conclude the UPS drop. And if we do come down and hit the 200-day moving average, it'll be on sale.